severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, southwestern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, east central Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Asheville County in upstate South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles east of Anderson, or 4 miles northeast of Belgium, running at 35 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Simpsonville, Fort Shoals, Williamston, West Elder, Woodruff, Dalton, Menary, Moore, and Great Fort. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-767-8101. Using hashtag NWSTFT. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: South Carolina, Asheville, Washington, Buffalo, Lawrence.
Well, that's us.